Hello and welcome to AC Entertainment Technologies and this, the PIXELHUE Q8. The Q8 is a 4K, 8K multi-screen management system. A multi-screen management system is a video processing system that layers multiple video sources across multiple screens. The screen could be a multi-projector blend or multiple LED processors or just individual large format displays. But it's the job of the multi-screen management system to manage a large number of input and output signals and give the operator the freedom and control to be able to layer their sources freely on each screen. The Q8 is a 9U customizable frame. On the front, it has a colored LED indicator to give a representation of its current state, along with a 7-inch touchscreen that is used for managing the system, such as changing the IP address, updating firmware, or performing factory resets. And don't worry, this screen can also be locked out too for those with inquisitive fingers. Lastly, there are some captive screws, allowing you to easily remove the front face for maintaining those filters. To the rear of the Q8, you'll find the I/O slots. The green denotes the 6 input card slots, where each card has 4 HDMI 2.0, 4 DP 1.2, and 4 12G SDI simultaneous connections. The maximum input capacity for the Q8 is 48 4K 60Hz inputs. The output cards are denoted in blue, where you can once again find 12 4K ports comprised of HDMI 2.0, 12G SDI and fiber connections. A single output card can support up to 4 4K 60Hz simultaneous outputs. For the entire system, that's 16 4K 60Hz program outputs, and all the ports can be configured as an auxiliary or program connections. Each output card supports up to 8 4K layers. At the bottom of the rear panel, you'll find 2 main and 1 backup power supply, Genlock synchronization, dual Ethernet and USB 3 control ports, 2 Dante Ethernet connections, and 2 4K multi-viewer HDMI 2.0 connections. The Q8 can be configured in one of 2 ways. The first is via the web GUI that has a complete toolset of features that allow operators to achieve their needs that include blending, mapping, keying, layers, geometry correction, color correction, scaling, masks, borders, and crop, just to name a few. And once an operator has created their looks, they can take, cut, fade through black, or even freeze their presets that they've created, all of which could be triggered further via Stream Deck. The second way to configure the Q8 is by using the U5 or U5 Pro event controllers. Each controller can connect to one or multiple Q8s and has the same features and functions as the web GUI, but also supports timecode, MIDI, PTZ cameras, has a programmable LCD keys, large touchscreen displays, and even has a good old T-bar for switching. In summary, the Q8 has 72 4K input connections, and the system will support 48 simultaneous 4K 60Hz inputs, whilst the Q8 has 48 4K output connections, and the system will support 16 simultaneous 4K 60Hz outputs with up to 32 4K mix layers, all within one system. That's a lot. Even I get, wow. Can you look at that? Wow.